Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we are going to be making instant pot Mississippi pot roast. Guys, I know you will love this simple, easy instant pot recipe. One reason I love using my instant pot for dinner recipes, it allows me to continue cooking flavorful dishes in a fraction of time. With this recipe guys, we are just gonna dump everything in the instant pot, then set to 1 hour, and our dinner is ready to be served. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. This is my classic recipe guys. It's not the original Mississippi pot roast recipe. So here we are going to use chuck roast with thin strands of white. This will melt away while your roast cooks, creating a tender cut of meat. We're gonna also need pepperoncini peppers and juice from the pepperoncini peppers, slow cooker beef stew seasoning, and beef stew seasoning mix. So let's get started. First, we're gonna take the roast and place it in the pot. I already cut it in half guys so it can fit perfectly into the pot. Then I'm gonna follow with the pepperoncini juice. Now we're gonna go in with slow cooker beef stew seasoning and meat stew seasoning mix. Add the pepperoncini peppers. Then we're gonna top that with butter. Add some water. Now we're gonna put the lid on, then set it to meat stew for 60 minutes. After 1 hour, the meat is ready. We're gonna shred the meat a little bit. Serve on mealie meal or mashed potato, whatever you desire guys. Take that gravy and go right on top with the pepperoncini peppers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching guys. Until next time guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.